Hello students, welcome to class 5. I am Suresh sir from St. Thomas School, continuing our lesson Disasters Management. Dear students, in our last session we had a talk that if you are facing any disaster level problem, if you face any accident, if you face any disaster, what were the problems and what can be the safety measures are there? It is given a one table here. Please write your name as you are there and date, day, time, details of a things happens with you. You are classifying into the two things, one is disaster and one is accident. If you collided with a vehicle suddenly, then you are taking into the accident. What problems will be there? You will get injuries, your bone will be dislocated, fracture will be there, head injury will be there, leg injury will be there. What can be the safety measures? The safety measures is that we have to wear helmet, follow traffic rules and so on. Second is spread of an epidemic. Epidemic means rogchal. It is a disaster. What were the problems should be taken? In earlier lesson we studied that we should boil the water and use it. We should go to the hospital, consult the doctor. Necessary steps are taking is also important. Now corona is a pandemic. Pandemic and epidemic are the two different words in English. Pandemic means it is commonly spreaded all over the world, all over the India, all over the Gujarat, all over our city. We have to take necessary care for it. Caring is very important, friends. Getting electric shock is an accident. The person become unconscious and we are supposed to take him to the hospital. Fire breakouts, it is a disaster or accident. Then we have to classify into the fire into the accident. We have to call to the fire brigade services. So on you can write yourself. It is my homework table. Some students are only writing the PDF what I am giving. Please search by yourself at home also. Think over it and write down. Then it is a project work in the textbook itself. Stick photos related to disaster and accident. You can use small photos by yourself. You have a lot of time at home as you are not coming to the school. So please do this newspaper activity. Don't go for taking or running the printout from the cyber cafe. In old newspaper you are getting sufficient which is available at your home, and classify the things between 2 points. One side you can put the disasters and one side you can put accident photographs. You can paste it. After pasting the photos, all students have to write one or two things about it. Where it happens, how it happens, and which place happens, what are the laws of that, any death cause or not. That all you have to write. Today a 5th standard of school has shown a film and gave many information regarding the what time of trouble of disasters. The main actors in the films were Harsh, Neeru, ba, nathi ba, and CD illustrated some proper conditions that we will talk next class onwards. I request all of you to read my lesson very well, then you can understand the video also. Thank you, students.